If you've ever wanted to export your ChatGPT chats without copying and pasting everything one message at a time, this video is going to save you a ton of time. In just a few minutes, I'll show you the fastest built-in way to download your full ChatGPT chat history so you can keep a backup, review old conversations, or move your data wherever you need it. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides. Let's jump right in. First, open ChatGPT and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. This part matters because the export will only include the chats tied to the account you're currently using. Once you're in, look at the bottom left corner of the screen and click your profile icon. From there, open the Settings menu. This is where ChatGPT keeps all of the account and privacy options. Inside Settings, look for the section called Data Controls. Click that, and you'll see the export tools for your account. This is the key step because instead of manually selecting conversations and copy-pasting them into another document, ChatGPT can package everything for you automatically. In the Data Controls area, find the option that says Export Data and click the Export button. After that, ChatGPT will ask you to confirm the export. This is normal because the platform is preparing a full data archive of your account activity. Click Confirm Export when the pop-up appears. Once you do that, ChatGPT will begin generating your export file in the background. Now, depending on the size of your chat history, this can take a little while. In many cases, you'll receive an email with a download link once the export is ready. That file usually comes as a zip archive, and inside you'll find your chat history in formats like HTML and JSON. That means you can open it, archive it, search through it, or use it for reference later without having to manually recreate anything. If your goal is just to save your chats for backup, this is the easiest method. If your goal is to reuse content from old conversations, this is still much faster than highlighting each response and pasting it somewhere else. And because it's the official export feature, it's the safest option too. A quick tip before you go: make sure you download the export file soon after you receive the email and store it somewhere secure. Since it may contain a lot of personal or work-related information, it's best to keep it in a protected folder or cloud drive that you trust. So that's how to export ChatGPT chats without copy and paste, using the built-in data export tool. No third-party apps, no complicated workarounds, just a straightforward way to get your full chat history downloaded in one go. If this video helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.